Have you ever felt that restlessness, as if someone somewhere is thinking about you right now? As if an invisible force were trying to pull you two closer together? Well, know this. That person exists and is asking for a sign from the heavens at this very moment. They miss you, a longing that hurts, that consumes, that makes their heart beat faster every time your name is mentioned. This isn't just any kind of affection. It's a love that transcends words, rooted in every thought, in every heartbeat of this person. They have spent sleepless nights gazing at the sky, searching for answers, asking for divine guidance to understand what is happening inside them. Fear stopped them from opening up before, from saying what they truly feel. Now regret is eating them up, filling them with doubts about what could have been if they had acted differently. The angels know the immense love this person holds for you. They have heard their prayers, their pleas, and now they want you to recognize the heavenly gift that is being placed before you. This person doesn't just want to be by your side. They want to be your life partner, to share every moment, to build a story together with you. Their name is engraved in your destiny, just as yours is in theirs. It's a bond that transcends time and space, something the angels care for with love and attention because they know that what exists between you two is rare and precious. The love this person feels is deep as the sea, and they know you are more than just anyone. You are like a bright light that breaks through cloudy days, an energy that brings peace and calms the heart, that makes the world seem a safer and more comforting place. They feel that by your side, they could finally find the tranquility they've been searching for, a peace that always seems to slip through their fingers. And now, perhaps it's time to open your heart and see what's happening around you. There are signs, small touches of fate, pointing to a reunion that seems inevitable. Something that appears to be written in the stars, guided by a greater force, by angels who whisper in your ear that the time has come. These signs, which may seem so subtle, are actually like a call, an invitation for you to realize the greatness of what is about to come. Maybe, deep down in your heart, you feel that urge, that desire to move forward, to allow yourself to live this connection that feels so special. And it's natural for doubts to arise, for you to wonder if it's the right time, if it's worth the risk, if the feeling that beats so strongly in your chest is mutual. But perhaps right now, there are invisible forces around you, energies encouraging you to trust more in what cannot be seen, but only felt. The angels, with their gentle presence, may be telling you to have faith in the journey unfolding before you, to trust that love, this pure and genuine feeling, is guiding every step you take. A love that is not limited by the material, that goes beyond the visible. A love that can cross any distance, overcome any challenge, and rise above all the barriers life places. If you've been feeling that sense that something big is approaching, a change you may not even be able to fully explain, it's because, indeed, something is moving behind the scenes of your life. It's not a coincidence, it's not just a feeling. It's the universe taking the first steps in a dance that only those who believe can truly see. And it is in this moment that you need to truly open yourself up to the unexpected. Let go of the fear of the unknown and allow the magic of the universe to do its work. Because, believe me, someone out there is thinking about you intensely. They are asking God, the angels, for a sign, a guide that shows that the path to you is the right one. This person feels a deep desire in their chest to understand if this love, this connection they believe is unique, also resonates in you with the same intensity. They want to know if there is a chance to start over, or perhaps to begin something new, something that you two have not yet experienced. The angels are there, very close, watching your every move, every thought that invades your mind, and every emotion that floods your heart. They know, they feel, that you've been restless, that an anxiety accompanies you at every moment. Maybe it's that doubt that doesn't leave your mind, the desire to decipher if the love you feel is truly genuine, if it is something that deserves all your dedication, all your effort. Perhaps in the most silent hours of the night, you wonder if this person is truly deserving of everything you feel, if their feelings for you are as pure as you dream, or if it's just a fleeting illusion. But there is one thing the angels want you to know. This person is also feeling something profound. They long to be by your side in an intense, almost desperate way. They have been living moments of introspection, rethinking every decision, every path they've chosen up to now. There is within them a growing sense of regret, a latent pain for not having shown clearly all they feel for you. And this pain only grows, like a consuming flame, with each day you spend apart. The silence between you two is not just a lack of dialogue, it's an open wound, a pain that penetrates the soul. Because deep down, this person knows, feels, that what exists between you is special, is real, is something that deserves to be lived with all intensity. This person has been dedicating themselves wholeheartedly, praying intensely, seeking a strength that comes from within to take that step that scares them so much. The time has come, they feel it. That moment when everything that has been held inside needs to be freed, in sincere and emotion-filled words. They know they need to open up, to let the world know what they hold inside, because that is the only way to move forward, to find the peace they seek so much. The angels have been speaking to them, repeating that the decision is entirely theirs. That there is no right or wrong, only what makes their heart vibrate. They whisper that it is time to trust their own intuition, the voice that comes from within, which is the truest of all. If there is still a spark of hope, a flame that insists on shining even when everything seems dark, it is because the universe, in its infinite wisdom, is sending signals for them to remain open to what the future holds. You feel that anguish too, don't you? That silence that seems to scream louder than any word. There is a part of you that still believes, that desperately wants this person to be honest, that everything that was said is nothing but pure truth. But along with that desire comes fear, that old fear of getting hurt again, of giving in once more and discovering that what seemed real was just another illusion. The angels are by your side now, whispering that true love always requires courage, an act of faith. They remind you that trust is a choice, a leap into the unknown, especially when things are not clear. But this trust needs to be built on what you feel, on what you truly believe, not on what fear makes you believe. Look around, pay attention to the signs the universe sends you. You know deep down that this person misses you in a way that perhaps even they are not brave enough to admit. Pride, the fear of getting hurt, or even the fear of appearing vulnerable, all of this could be holding back the conversation you both so desperately need. But the truth is that there is no such thing as the perfect moment. The right moment is the one born from the heart, that impulse that comes from within and does not follow rules or conventions. When the heart decides to speak, no planning can stop it. If you give it a chance, open your heart, let this person come closer without fear or reservations. Who knows what might happen? The angels assure you that regret is not what is in store for you. In fact, this is the beginning of a healing, of a connection so deep that it can cross any barrier, face any storm. But of course, the first step must be taken with confidence, with a kind of faith that makes you believe that true love is never an easy path, but it is always the only one worth walking. You might be there questioning yourself, right? How will I know if this person has really changed? How can I trust again, open up, without the fear of suffering again? It is normal to feel this way, and the angels understand. They say that trust is not something that is earned overnight. It is a building, a step-by-step process. It is like a path you need to walk slowly, noticing every detail, paying attention to the signs, the small actions that show a true desire to win your heart back. This person is willing to face their own fears, to overcome the barriers they themselves have built. Now is a time for change, to leave behind the wounds that marked you and look ahead with a heart full of hope. The angels ask you to be patient, to allow space for them to demonstrate, with actions and commitment, how much they want to build something real, something meaningful. And then deep down, you feel a certain relief hearing this. A part of you wants to believe again, wants to let yourself go for the chance to live a love that goes beyond difficulties, that has the strength to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. But at the same time, you know you need something more. You need clear signs, concrete actions that make you feel safe, that show that this love is real, that it is worth the risk of opening up again. The angels are whispering that now is the time for you to stay receptive, but also firm in what you believe. They want to remind you that if this person truly loves you, they will show it with clear actions. It will not be just a game of words or empty promises. It will be something you will see in the way they strive to earn your trust, to become better, to walk side by side with you on this journey. The universe is in motion, working behind the scenes so that this meeting of souls happens in a true and profound way. It's as if every little coincidence, every unexpected encounter or subtle sign is guiding you so that you do not lose hope. The angels ask you to keep your faith alive, to believe that love has immense power and that people, when they truly touch each other's hearts, are capable of changing, of evolving, of growing together. Now, the path is not always easy. But in the end, there is a light, a real possibility of happiness that is within your reach if both of you are willing to fight for it, to invest time and affection, to correct mistakes and celebrate successes. Believe me, the future can be as beautiful as you dream. Allow yourself to dream, Don't be afraid to imagine what could come if there is courage on both sides. What you feel inside your chest is not by chance. There is a reason for every emotion, every uncertainty, and also for every hope that silently blooms. Trust your intuition, follow the angel signs, because they are there, always guiding you, protecting you, reminding you that you are worthy of the purest, truest, most transformative love the universe has to offer. You are at an important point in your life, where your decisions will influence everything that comes ahead. There is someone who misses you so intensely, who is willing to face any obstacle to be by your side. The angels are trying to tell you that true love is such a powerful energy that it can cross any difficulty. Remember that no one is perfect. Everyone carries with them their flaws and uncertainties, their moments of insecurity. But true love is not about finding someone without flaws. It is about accepting those flaws and seeing the beauty within them. It is about wanting to grow and evolve together, supporting each other at every step of the journey. This person wants to be by your side to build something real, something where you can both be yourselves, without masks or fears. They are willing to be your support in difficult moments, to laugh with you on good days, to comfort you when life seems complicated. The angels are asking you to look beyond what your eyes can see, to feel the truth in this person's words and notice how their eyes light up when they talk about you. There is a deep sincerity in their gestures, a genuine desire to win you over, to make you happy. Can you see it? Are you ready to open your heart and let this love reach you, surround you, transform you? Because deep down, the angels already know, this person is willing to do whatever it takes for you to be together. And now it's up to you to see how real it can be, how good it could be. The connection between you is one of those that goes beyond what the eyes can see, as if destiny had already planned this long before either of you appeared in this world. It's like somewhere in the universe, your souls have already recognized each other, and now they are being drawn to meet again. There is something inexplicable, an energy pulling you together, even when everything seems to be upside down. A force greater than fear, greater than the mistakes made before. And the universe, in all its wisdom, is arranging everything, moving the pieces, creating the circumstances so that this encounter happens the right way. Have you noticed how some things seem to have a hidden meaning? Repeating numbers, dreams that stir your thoughts, those coincidences so absurd it's hard to believe they are just coincidences. These are messages, signs that you are on the right path. They are the angels telling you that what you have been waiting for is getting closer and closer. They ask you to keep your faith, to keep your heart open, but also to be wise in your choices. Because true love, the one that is worth it, is not just about beautiful words and empty promises. It's about actions, about daily affection, about respect in every gesture. The angels whisper for you to trust your intuition more, to feel what your heart says and make decisions with wisdom. If this person is truly yours, nothing in the world will stop them from proving it. They will cross any storm, move any obstacle to be by your side. And if by chance they are not, know that it is because something even more incredible is waiting for you. Trust that what is to come will always be the best for your growth, for your journey. So now what you need to do is take a deep breath, trust in what the universe is preparing for you. No matter how things will end, believe that you will be led to the right place, at the right time. Feel the angels' care around you, protecting you, guiding you. You are safe. Love is near, very close to you, and it will find you, no matter how long it takes. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what choice you make. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.